And I come with so much joy to the blessed nation whose name is Kenya. You see, people have come from the richest countries on the world. They are here. The senator from Milano is here. The senators from Europe are here. Leaders. And they have robots walking in the streets. Wako na marobots wanatembea kwa streets. But wakawacha yote. Wakasema hapana. I am only looking for Jesus. The one who died for me. A time cometh when a man must seek his creator. Wakawacha mali zao zote. So I am speaking the blessed nation called Kenya.